Once again.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And as you guys know, I do have the bubble here now. The project EG hatch is here, so we can definitely start doing some videos on that. When I did purchase the bubble, the previous owner did tell me there's an EK subframe in the car. Now there used to be a H22 motor in that car, so I'm not sure if by having an EK subframe, if that made it easier for the motor to sit in there. But he did provide me with a spare EG subframe, which pretty much I gotta take out the EK subframe and put the EG one on there. So on my green coupe, I actually have a new manual rack in there that I want to take. So just to make things a little easier, I'm just going to take the subframe and the rack out my green coupe, and I'm going to put that in the hatch. And then I'm going to take the EK subframe out the hatch. That's going to sit on the side, and then the spare subframe is going in the green EG coupe, so we can at least push the car in and out the shop. Sounds a little confusing, but pretty much the hatch subframe comes out, the subframe from the green coupe goes in the hatch, and the spare subframe goes in the coupe. So that's what we're going to be doing today, guys. So we're going to get started on this right away.
First, I'm going to loosen that 10mm bolt right there, and that pretty much holds the rack pinion into the steering column. So I'm going to loosen that, and then we can go to the front and start loosening all the other bolts for the subframe. Right. So the bolt's pretty much all the way out now. There we go. So now from the other side, I could just pull the rack down and it'll come right out of there. And being that I'm taking my my subframe and rack, I'm just going to unbolt the subframe and it'll drop down with the rack all together.
Alright guys, so looks like I'm going to end up swapping a lot more than what I thought. The wheel bearings on this, well, it's kind of hard to see, but the wheel bearings on both sides are really bad. There's a lot of play on them. So, I mean, looks like shit anyway. So it looks like what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to swap literally the whole front end. So I'm going to have to swap over my subframe with the rack. And I'm going to actually swap over the knuckles as well with the calipers. So it's going to be kind of focus here. It's going to be a lot of work, but I'd rather do it now that I'm here. To take the control arms, everything's going to go over. So I'm pinching these brake lines so I don't run my master dry, so I don't mess up my master. That one I don't care, because I'm going to end up swapping my old master over to that one. So these lines are just draining out. There you go. But yeah, these look like crap. I have no brake pedal. I'm not sure if the master's bad, if the calipers are bad, but since I'm here, I might as well just do it all in one shot and get it all over with, because I know my old Civic, everything works on it fine. So I'll just swap all that over here and call that a day. So pretty much I'll be swapping out everything. I'll just loosen the knuckle from up there, and I gotta get the subframe bolts, which that one's loose already. Got this one over here. Looks like we got some more over here. Looks like that one's not even in there. But I'm gonna just swap the whole thing over. It's gonna be too much to record, so I'm gonna just try to get as much as I could done on it, and I'll show you guys where I'm at in a little. Alright guys, so everything is finally done. This took a lot of work, you know. I recorded as much footage as I could because this just got a little crazy. I just wanted to get this done with, but there's the subframe on this one, so that's already done. I already pushed the car out, got all this out the way. The bubble, everything is done as well. Swap the rims over from the bubble as well, and she looks pretty. There she is. So I mean, I recorded as much as I could. It just got to a point where I just wanted to get it done. So, but there she is, guys. She looks great. Can't wait to get this motor in there, have her running. But she is coming out really, really nice. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe, like, share. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Definitely stay tuned for some more. See you guys on the next one.